I hear local government party chairman that I hear
of the working committee of People's Democratic Party River State chapter to this important occasion approved by you for us today to receive our brothers who has gone the other way on hunting expedition and decided to come back home because there was nothing to catch. Your Excellency, just to mention on all that will be coming to the up to this morning, people are still beckoning that they need to come back home. And all of them that are coming back, there is only one message. They are back home because their reason for being in politics is to bring the dividends of democracy to their various communities. That when they were still away, we are touching their people. We are touching their people in various ways. And most importantly, that they have seen you as a governor today that has brought the best law school in Nigeria to River State. They have seen you as the governor that has brought the most important and very important cardiovascular center to River State. They have seen you as the only governor that brought Real Madrid Academy in Africa to River State. And for them, they've been there with people who have promised us the way from Port Harcourt to Maiduguri, only to remove the rail lines that were in existence. They were there with people who promised us Bonny Deep Sea Port, only to discover that our day is not working. They have been there with people who made all sorts of promises and nothing has worked. And they said they have no option than to come back home. Your Excellency, this is the major reason. They were going to speak to themselves. They will speak to you. But I decided to highlight this. And today, people we are receiving, Your Excellency, it's a symbolic program we are doing. They are still coming in their drones because they are tired. So who came this morning said they only had the announcement. They never knew we are taking this exercise today. And we will continuously, in our various LGAs, be receiving them through our very performing local government chairman. Your Excellency, finally, during our last 23rd meeting of PDP River State chapter, we had a discussion and said the mandate we gave you that from our confirmation and our investigation, you have fully completed it. You have executed beyond our expectation. You have performed and put River State on the radar of Nigeria. And that we resolve that today we issue you a certificate confirming to you that the same party that elected you, that we are saying you have done well, you have performed, and we are happy with what you have done. Thank you, Your Excellency. We'll back forward and ask the Secretary of the party to present that to you. Thank you and God bless you, sir.
I would have started with a song praising God for his love for River State. But that song will come some other time. But let me just say, Father, I thank you for giving River State Nyesom Ezenwo Wike as their governor. Your Excellency, from a distance, anybody who sees your heart's posture will not know that behind that veil is a man full of compassion, grace, love, and trust. And that is who you are. Until we come close, we'll be giving you all sorts of names, but not knowing that you are a man created in God's own image to do good for his people. Your Excellency, I'm standing on behalf of all the Decampees from Southeast Senatorial Districts who were sometime in APC to say that none of us were invited to come. None of us were invited to the camp. On our own will and evolution, we came to you and you received us. Thank you very much, sir. And thank you, party chairman, for also accepting to receive us, because we've not been fair to you. We went on a regrettable, unsuccessful political expedition. We've retraced our steps and have found our ways back home. Please forgive our mistakes in the past and reintegrate us to work with you for a better Rivers State. We've seen what you've done for this state. It is innumerable. They are innumerable. We can't count them one by one. That alone is sufficient to make any hardened mind to trace its way back if you love Rivers State and love Rivers people. We've come to join you to lift the oppressed, which is what you've been doing. We've come to join you to give a new face to this state. We've come to join you to transform this state. We've come to join you to help the needy grow. And we believe that you will not turn us back, even with this ceremony being a testimony that you've received us. Thank you very much, sir. We pledge our loyalty will be 100% and nothing less than that. God bless you. We are back home. Thank you.
Please, I am not just coming to PDP. I am a returnee to PDP. I am back to my house, to my home. I wish I am welcome. Well, I don't have much to say, but the fact remains that only Igwe local government knows what I do. Ishi, Bombay, I want to welcome you because you have fought a good fight. Heaven knows that I fought you. Without you, nobody in the current government. I'm saying it to the whole world, I'm announcing it to the whole world. Today that I'm here. Today that I'm here. Today that I'm here. Everything about the current chapter is closed. Ishi, I want to assure you that I will join you, I will back you to this remaining battle. I will be loyal to you, I will be loyal to the party. Some people are afraid of my comment, but I know that you know there is no need to fear. I have come to simplify the political process in the local government. And if it so wish that I transcend my work outside the local government, you know I can do it. Today, that we are here declaring for PDP, I came with all my heart to work for Governor Nyesom Wike, more especially to work for SYM. I know why I did not come since. Because I was not part of the house that I'm standing here. I allowed everybody, but today I'm coming to follow you and lay the foundation of SYM. As I'm laying the foundation of SYM with you, we will simplify Rivers State. I know that as here people are crying, but I say, let
me thank especially the sons and brothers, family, and all of you who have decided to join your family. PDP in Rivers State is a household name. Let me assure you that we will all work with you. There's nothing like somebody who has been there since and somebody who has come back. The more the merrier. So all of us must put hands together to make sure our governorship candidate, to make sure National Assembly candidate, to make sure National Assembly candidate, at least for Rivers State, we return them 100%. At least that is our primary responsibility. And I don't know of any party who would believe that they are contesting the election with us in Rivers State, except the person wants let it be on record that he was a candidate in 2023 election. I don't think anybody running an election in any other party in this state is hoping to win an election. Is that possible? No. Is that possible? No. In this state, if God gives you the ticket of PDP in this state, go home, sew your clothes for the inauguration day. Because what would any Riversman or woman be saying that he or she wants to vote for any other person in Rivers State as a party who have kept faith with our people, as a party who have stood for our people, as a party who have never allowed intimidation from any quarter. And that is what we are talking about, the interest of Rivers State. Remember, before I came on board, most states, they had our property with them. As I came in as governor, with the support and prayers of our people, we took all our property back. I'm not going to play party with the interests of my people. Rivers State is paramount to me first, before any other person or any other group. So, the eyes can see what we have done. Up to today, we have never abandoned governance. So many people are already rounding up, taking the last they have. But yet, we are still committed in commissioning, in flagging of projects. Because of the love we have for our people, we will continue to serve you till May 29, when by the grace of God, Stephen Iyorchia Ayu will be inaugurated as the governor of Rivers State. This year's election is not for big men. It's not for big men. It's not for those who will not come home and mobilize for their party. They're only interested in being politicians away. Politicians are at home. Anybody who's not at home now is not a politician. I have changed the strategy. I have changed the strategy of this election. No more big man. I am going for those who matter in their general unit. So if you watch, all those who are decamping are those who you may not be hearing their names, but are the people who do the work. So we have been plucking them back. We have been plucking them back. And all those so-called big men, they are threatened. It's not me that causes it, it is you that causes yourself. If God has given you opportunity, you throw it away, it's your business. Is it my business? I was listening, watching. They said there's one man, they call Secondus. They said he was dancing, celebrating, but then gave their person vote of confidence. He forgets history. Ask him. the same neck through Ali Babangida, who moved the motion for vote of confidence, supported by the same person, Ndudu. They gave him vote of confidence. What happened? He left office. We don't fight and go back. If you like, you can have as plenty vote of confidence. It's not my business. It's not my business. My business and my team is to make sure the right thing is done. And the right thing must be done.
PDP! Power to the people! PDP! Power to the people!
I thank you. And I thank our leaders for coming out en masse to support us. I also want to apologize that we came late. Of course, it has not been easy for me since yesterday, but thank God Almighty that we're here to join for receiving our brothers and sisters who have come to join us to lay the foundation of the new governor and deputy governor that will emerge in May 29, 2023. Thank you and God bless you.
How many days? Shall we take the national anthem? National anthem, please.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.